Hi guys, here this 5 cancels this. Here we have 6 divided by this 2. Here 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 is the wrong answer. As per the order of operation, 3 is the wrong answer. Now we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here M stands for multiplication, D stands for division. Here division and multiplications are both are equal priority. For this we are going to follow another rule called left to right. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. As per the PEMDAS, we have to do this multiplication, divisions are equal priority. We have to follow from left to right. So here this is left to right. We have to complete this first. So here we are going to introduce another rule called KCF, which means keep the first one, this 6, change the second one to multiplication, flip the third one, this to 5 by 2 times this 5. Now do simplify this, we'll get here 3. 3 times 5 times 5. Here left to right is 3 times 5 is 15 times this 5, which is 75 is the correct answer.